Hello everyone, myself Dr. Smita Sanjay Chaudhary from Department of Botany Dr. Anna Saheb G.D. Bendare, Mahila Mahavidyalaya Jalgaon. The topic of my research paper is chalk glands on leaf and stem of two species of Plumbago and their taxonomic relevance. This is the e-poster of my research paper. The plants investigated in the present work are Plumbago zelenica and Plumbago auriculata. The main objective while doing research for this work was to study and compare chalk glands of Plumbago zelenica and Plumbago auriculata. This is the methodology which I followed during my research work. Let us move toward the observations and result. First aspect is chalk gland. Chalk glands are approximately hemispherical glands with oval or almost circular outline. They occupy three different positions with regard to epidermal cell at the same level or slightly sunken or slightly raised above the epidermis. They occur abundantly on the lower side of leaves and sparsely on upper side of leaves of both the plants. Chalk gland is composed of 8 cells arranged in the two circles, central circle of 4 secretory cells and outer circle of 4 adjoining cells. Each chalk gland is surrounded by 4 subsidiary cells. These are the dimensions of chalk glands. Chalk glands in Plumbago zelenica are larger than chalk glands in Plumbago auriculata. These are light microscopic photograph of epidermal peeling showing chalk glands in both the surfaces of leaves and stem of both the plants. Now these are ACM photomicrographs showing chalk glands on both the surfaces of leaf and stem of both the plants. Next aspect is about IDEX analysis. IDEX analysis of the chalk gland show presence of carbon, oxygen, magnesium, sulfur, potassium and calcium. Silicon and chlorine is also found except in the leaf of Plumbago auriculata. Instead of that, it shows presence of aluminium. Sodium is recorded from the stem of both the plants and phosphorus is noticed in the leaf of Plumbago zelenica. Now the IDEX analysis of the salt crystals which were collected from the lower surface of the leaves. It shows presence of oxygen, magnesium and calcium. Plumbago zelenica salt crystal show presence of silicon while Plumbago auriculata salt crystal show presence of potassium. This is the EDS spectrum showing elemental analysis of the chalk gland on lower surface of leaf of Plumbago zelenica. These are ACM photomicrograph of dried crystals which were collected from the lower surface of leaf of both the plants. About conclusion, chalk glands in both studied species of Plumbago have same structure and differences are noticed only in their sizes and position with respect to epidermal cells. Chalk glands can be used as supplementary taxonomic tool to differentiate two species of Plumbago. IDEX analysis studies led us to use the term chalk glands instead of salt glands in Plumbago because it shows presence of adequate amount of calcium and absence of sodium and chlorine in salt crystals and also in secretion of some chalk glands. This is the taxonomic key which we can use to delineate two species of Plumbago, Plumbago zelenica and Plumbago auriculata. I would like to acknowledge Dr. G.S. Chaudhary for his guidance during my research. These are the few references which I used during my study. थँक्यू.